back to them. Guys, we're on Martin Luther King Drive in Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm gonna be looking at a monument which was done by one of my fellow Jamaican artists. I'm so proud of him. We spent a couple hours, we spent a day actually with his dad at his great house in Jamaica in St. Thomas when I was in art school at Manley College. So his name is Brenton Watson and his son is Basil Watson, and it was taught by Raymond Watson. So we're going to be looking at this grand monument that he did. And this is actually massive. This is a real monument. It had to be installed. And there it is. Here's what it says. Says here, guys, as I said, as an educator, you really have to get the facts. It says, hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Quotation from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And here it is at the front. Forward, sculptor Basil Watson, the great Basil Watson. And I'm happy that my son, whom I also teach, he's right here to witness this great moment. This is a beautiful opportunity. Do not step back. We're on a highway. And I'm here with my wife also. She's an educator. So this is really a beautiful moment. And when you look behind, you can turn around, Katie. That's the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. So this is really monumental. This is absolutely amazing, really stunning. Look at the view of this huge monument in the United States of America. This is something to be proud of. Not just the 1, 2, 3 in Tokyo are athletes doing good, but in arts, we are doing exceptionally well. And this is living proof to say, hey, we have great people in our little island, Jamaica.